Okay, in this video, I am going to make a Mercedes-Benz dealership building. So there's one in the city, and it has the rotating Mercedes symbol. I'm gonna try to make one of those with it rotating. So I want it to look sort of like this. Or like this. So I'm going to make the rotating Mercedes symbol. I'm going to make the building, and then hopefully we'll rotate slowly to scale, and I hope it looks pretty cool and realistic. And just so you know, this is not an advertisement for Mercedes. To do this, I'm going to use an old servo. It's a 9-gram servo. And why I chose to do a servo is because they have all kinds of gears in them to make them go slowly and for them to be really strong to move the control surfaces on a plane. So I wanted it to look scale. I didn't want it to like go like on a regular brushed motor. So I'm using an old servo. I'm gonna take out some gears, or maybe not. I'm just gonna fool around with it. Yeah, gonna make it spin the Mercedes symbol. I am done modifying the servo. As you can see, this is the servo. I took out this little chip. So on an RC thing, it would take the signals, and then this chip would tell the servo what to do. Also, there was a little thing on the gears that kept it from rotating all the way around. So I cut that off. So now it's slow and strong, but it can rotate all the way around. See? It's slow, and it looks pretty scale. I mean, it might be slightly fast, but it's pretty cool. And then I found this AA battery pack, and then soldered the leads on it, from it, directly onto the motor so it would spin all the way around. And that whole thing only took me like 10 minutes, so it's very quick. Now the next thing that I have to do is just build like a box around it, make it look sort of like a Mercedes building, and then make the Mercedes symbol. I might cut it out of something, or I was thinking I could also 3D print it, because lately I got a 3D printer. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to probably 3D print it, but I'm not sure yet. But the next step, like I said, is just to build a box. Here it is. It's set up with the Mercedes symbol on it. I 3D printed 2 halves and then I glued them together. So excuse the hot glue. I'll take those off for the finished product. Like there's hot glue around it. I'll take that off, but I just want to show you how it spins. I'll put it on. You can see that's how it spins. Now it's pretty slow for a brushed motor, but I still thought that it spun too fast. Like the Mercedes symbol spinning on the dealership building. That doesn't spin this fast. It spins like pretty fast for a real life thing, but slower than this. So what I did is, instead of gearing it down more, which would be hard, is I took one battery out. Now this battery pack takes two AA's, and they're hooked up in series, which is basically adding up the voltage of the batteries. Whereas if they're connected in parallel, that would mean the same voltage, just has like double the lasting time of two batteries. But it was connected up in series, so it added up the voltage, and each battery is 1.5 volts, so added up that would be 3 volts in total with these together in series. So what I did is I took out one battery, connected up the ends of it, the wire, so the current could still pass through it, and then now it only has 1.5 volts powering this instead of 3 volts. So I'm gonna turn it on. So as you can see now, it's spinning much slower, and that looks scale to me. It's gonna be on top of the building. It looks scale. So basically, with two batteries connected in parallel, it can run for longer. Like, it will take more time to drain the two batteries. But if you connect them in series, then it makes more voltage, which makes the motor spin faster. So it was spinning faster when they were in series, so I took one battery out, and now spins like half the speed. So just wanted to explain that to you. I painted the box. I put the Mercedes symbol with the servo attached to it in the box, and I painted it. So now I just need to put on the windows, glue down the servo, and it'll be ready. Okay, now going to put the windows on it. Going to put the windows on it using this white tape. So just going to cut a square piece, I think, and then put it on and do a bunch of those, and I'm going to show it to you in time lapse. Dun! It's finished! My Mercedes dealership building is finished. I'll turn it on. I realize that the Mercedes symbol is still slightly too fast to be scale, but it's pretty good. It's the slowest I could make it. I wish I had some better background for it, but I don't. Thanks for watching me build this Mercedes dealership building, and I'll catch you in the next video.